Alright guys, welcome back to another tech video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution for you. Now, don't forget to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you'll get to that resolution. Anyway, on to the video. Cheers! And that's it guys. I hope we've gone through the question and found that solution you're looking for. And look, if we did, please hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.